Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk to you guys on why I think that this Acura RSX Type S setup that I have on it right now is the best for a daily driver. So let me show you guys. Alright, so for the aftermarket parts, I'm running a short ram engine intake. I do have a Borla 2.5-inch exhaust paired with a Megan downpipe. And I do have Megan shorty headers back there. Skunk 2 stage 3 cams and injectors, 1000cc injectors, and a AEM fuel pump so I can run E85. This car is on E85, a full E85, not a mixture of it. And then where most of the power comes from is the nitrous setup. A wet shot, that is what I'm running. I don't know the exact 100 shot or whatever of it. I've guessed it because I found a like a chart on one of the RSX forums and it said it, but I'll show you guys what I mean. Like, this is just jet sizes. I'll show you guys in a bit, but that's pretty much it for performance. So for the inside of the car, everything is pretty much stock, the same, other than the radio and the steering wheel. Oh, and the seats, I guess is actually more than I thought about it. But yeah, I do have aftermarket seats, and the only reason I replaced the seats was because if you have one of these, you know, the pleather seats that they come with are pretty trash and they start to peel and they look real ugly, so I had to replace them. And then the nitrous setup is back there. If you see what I mean, this is what I mean. Like, they're just jets. They're just jet sizes. Nothing really tells me here it's 100 shot. You kind of just pair them up. The bigger the hole on the jet, the more nitrous is gonna go through. So yeah, and then here's the bottle. Fits perfectly behind the seat. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I do have stage 3 clutch. That's probably the most uncomfortable part of dailying this car, but it's still doable. And obviously the coilovers. But if you join the car with coilovers, you know what I mean. Like, I mean, it's doable. It's just gonna be a little rough, but look at the way it looks. Looks pretty good. So now let's go for a quick drive. I'll show you guys what I mean. How this car is pretty quiet and low key. All right. I got the car started up. Now let's go for a quick drive. You guys see, just from idle, the car's not really that loud, especially for being a car that has cams, aftermarket cams. It's not really loud. I think part of that has to do with that I'm running such a small exhaust, a 2.5. I think the stock is just 2 1/4, so it's barely anything bigger. I'm not running a Cat, so it's a little louder. Look, we're in an underpass parking, and you guys can hear the car. Not really that loud. Not loud at all. So I don't really worry if a cop gets behind me. Only reason I worry about it right now is just because the car's not registered. But that's just because of the accident. You know, the car was parked for a while. Here in California, you need to take it to them so they can certify that it's okay for you to put back on the road, meaning all the lights work, everything works the way it should be. I haven't had a chance to do it. I don't know if you guys can hear off my voice. I've been sick. Today's pretty much the first day I had enough energy to come out here and do something. But I do want to spray the car. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm a little under 800 PSI for the car, which is still a little low, but I think we'll be fine. Right now I'm gonna go to a freeway on-ramp to do a little pull. I know I said I was gonna wait to spray the car until the next track day, but unfortunately my local track, which is Irwindale, is closed until next year. Right now they're doing like a whole Christmas thing. They put up lights and stuff. It's pretty cool if you take the family there, but not cool if you're trying to spray your car. So right now I'm gonna go for that on-ramp. Let me open it. Hopefully everything's tied up right. So yeah, I mean, obviously the car is almost 20 years old now. You're gonna get some squeaks on it, but as far as driving it, I mean, if you guys can see, I'm not really struggling. It's almost no different than my STI, just as far as driving it. Like, the steering's soft, everything works fine. Usually when I drive this car, I don't like to rev it over 3,000 RPM. I don't feel like there's much of a need for it. Unless I'm trying to get ratchet, then I'll start driving it up a little higher. You start hearing the little pops the car makes. But for just cruising, like we're doing right now, 3,000 RPM is perfect for it. Look, that's 4,000. Still made a little on the 4,000, but yeah, you guys know what I mean. It does get a little louder, but still not obnoxiously loud. And if you guys notice, the steering wheel is moving all over the place. Like I said, I think on my last video I said I was gonna have it aligned, but I've been sick, so haven't had a chance to do that. So start purging it. Purge it. Nitrous is engaged. I don't really know if I want to. It's not going here. That car's gonna get in the way. Good. Hopefully we don't get no cars in front of us. I'm trying to really push the car. Not too much out of my comfort zone, but I want to show you guys what the car can do. I mean, it's on 800 PSI, so it could be a little faster, but give you guys a good idea. Oh shit. McLaren Ferraris. Pretty cool. Let's go a little slow. Hopefully the light's not on. Let's go a little slow. Give the car in front of us some time. Give us some distance. One more purge, because it looks cool. So, alright, yep, no car. Oh snap. Let's see what, alright. Hold on. Alright, that was fun. Alright. I don't know if you guys heard that, but there was a loud pop after that. So, and that was still pretty low on the PSI, and the car pulled pretty good. We got up to 100 right there, I think. It was 190 or high 90s, but now I'm gonna close the bottle and purge everything out, and I'm gonna do the same pull just on the motor. Alright, nitrous system is empty. There's no nitrous on the lines. Dang, that thing got a little crazy back there, yo. I really need to get the alignment. I couldn't hold the steering wheel straight. And that was off second gear. So I'm gonna get back on the freeway right now, and I'm gonna do the same pull just on the motor. No spray, no spray. All motor. Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Looks like a lot of cars are on here, but I'm gonna go real slow. Look, the WRX is up there. I don't think it's an STI. Alright, give them some time, give them some time. Go real slow. I'm probably not gonna go as fast as I did, but second gear. Alright, we got it up to 80. Up to 80. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, that was fun. I haven't sprayed this car in a long time, guys. I haven't sprayed this car in a long time. That was a quick reminder of how fast this car can actually be. You know, I'm usually just driving this car just without the spray. I don't even carry the bottle in the car most of the time. But yeah, the car's a lot of fun to drive. I think this is the perfect daily setup for you guys. It's quiet. The cops are gonna leave you alone, and if anybody pulls up next to you, they're not gonna be ready for what you're gonna have under the car. They're gonna be thinking they're gonna be racing a full bolt-on Honda. It's gonna get gapped, only 200 horsepower, but this car is capable of a lot more. I do have a lot of some videos in mind where I'm gonna be racing this car against other cars to see where it matches up. I do want to race one of the new Supras. My friend actually just picked one up, and I think that'll be a good race for this car. I do want to race one of the new Type Rs or the older Type Rs with some bolt-ons or not. With some bolt-ons or not, I'll be down to race one of those. My cousin has one, but he's all the way in Arizona. I don't know if I'm down to drive this car all the way to Arizona to race him. I've been thinking about it. I have some time off next month, so I might do it just to see. But his is stock, but he still thinks it's faster than my car, but I don't know about that one. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh look, there's if you guys remember the Evo that I raced like a couple years ago, that's it right there. He got rid of the wing. Maybe a rematch with him. I don't know. He's pushing over 500, he said, so I'll probably get gapped pretty bad again. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a like and subscribe. I'll be putting the full list of mods in the description of the video, so if you guys want to copy the setup, that's fine with me. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.